Yo guys, what's going on? Monday 6 here, back to 2004 Ford Sport Trac. And today we're going to be installing these sway bar end links with polyurethane bushings. Should be a fairly simple install. Alright guys, let's get to it. Here we are underneath the Sport Trac. Here we are on the driver's side control arm. There is a hex head bolt right here. We'll go ahead and we'll just follow this up. We have our bushings here, our end link that goes all the way top to our sway bar. And on the top, there's a nut. You can see it's threaded up there pretty good, so we'll go ahead and we'll just loosen this hardware up, and that'll let us remove this sway bar end link. We got the wrench on top, we got the ratchet on the bottom. Just go ahead and loosen that nut all the way so we can remove this sway bar end link. Right, we got the top bushing and the nut off. All you can do is go ahead, just thunk that bolt down with a hammer. Should slide out. There we go. Looks like it slid out just fine. Yeah, go ahead and remove the spacer. Worry, all the bushings are falling out. Just grab those, and this is the order that the bushings, the spacer, the other bushings, and the nut, this is the order it will have to go on. So we'll go ahead and we'll just disassemble that, and we'll reassemble it through the control arm and through the sway bar. Got the new bolt. We have the washer, the polyurethane bushing. We're gonna go ahead, install this just like that. This is gonna be the order here. So we're gonna go ahead, this polyurethane bushing on, put this washer on, get our spacer goes on, washer goes on, another bushing. Alright, this is going to be a little bit of the difficult part, so we're just going to push up on this sway bar just a little bit. Alright, enough to get it into place. We'll go ahead, grab our hammer, just hit it from the bottom so this bolt can go up. Right, once that's through, go ahead, put our bushing on, washer, then the nut. We'll go ahead and just tighten everything up. Okay, we got the hardware tightened up. So you see, you have the nut, the washer, polyurethane bushing, your sway bar, polyurethane bushing, a washer, have your spacer, another washer, polyurethane bushing, going through the control arm, and then down at the bottom we have the bushing, a washer, and the bottom of the bolt. So that's the order. And then just snug them up, not too much. You can see that they're not bulging that much, even though they're polyurethane bushings. But there we go, all tightened up on the driver's side. Here we are at the passenger side sway bar link. You can see that bushing is like totally gone. We come here to the bottom, and this one looks like it's split. So, good thing we got good replacements. We'll go ahead and pop this off, and we'll get the new bushings and link on. Let's go ahead and get this hardware unbolted. Here's another look at that top bushing. It was definitely on its way out. Good thing we got these replacements. But yeah, starting to get dry rot. Not really doing their job anymore. We got all the hardware on, bushings, spacers, bolts. We'll go ahead and just tighten everything up here on the passenger side. If your bushings are looking like this, all dry rot and cracked, rusted, worn out, just go ahead, replace them. There will be a link down in the description for the new ones we installed on the Sport Trac. And once again, Thank you all for tuning in. Monday to 6. Out.